Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the timeline of various events that take place during the pre-embryonic phase. And by pre-embryonic phase we mean the development, that is the first 2 weeks. So what does it include? So the time after fertilization, say about 24 hours. So less than 24 hours, what is the thing seen? So there is some events, that is, there is zygote. There is a zygote. The zygote is formed. And the cleavage, it begins immediately. The cleavage begins immediately. So less than 24 hours, the zygote is formed and the cleavage begins immediately. Then when you look at the 2 to 3 days, there is a 5 to 8 cell stage. This 5 to 8 cell stage. Next, when you look at the 3 to 4 days. So in 3 to 4 days, we have a stage of the compaction. The stage of compaction and also the formation of the morula. That is with the 16 cells. So stage of compaction and the formation of the morula with 16 cells is the up to day 4, that is 3 to 4 days. Then when you look at 4 to 5 days, the 4 to 5 days there is a formation of the blastocyst. There is presence of formation. And what is this formation about? The formation is of the blastocyst. Then comes 5 to 6 days. 5 to 6 days there is a zona pellucida. Z and P, that is zona pellucida, it disappears. So at 6th day it disappears. Then from 6 to 7 days there is the implantation of the blastocyst taking place. This implantation, and this is of the blastocyst, that is blastocyst implantation. Next, when you look at the 9th day, there is a bilaminar disc formation. There is bilaminar disc. So this bilaminar disc formation that is taking place. So then lastly, moving on to the day 12. So in day 12 there is a formation of the extra embryonic mesoderm. So this formation of the extra embryonic mesoderm.